Sign in QuickTable. Click Data Connections and choose Data Ingestion. Click New Connection. Then search for Google Sheet in the search box. Select Google Sheets and click the Agree button. Wait for a few seconds. Click the I understand button. Then choose Grant Access and click the Authorize button. To integrate data from Google Sheets, we need to create a data range first. Open a Google spreadsheet, then choose Data, named Range. Set the data range based on the Google Sheet and name it. Copy the URL of the Google Sheet. Then paste in the Sheet's URL input box. Choose the data range you created in the last step. Click the Save and Test button. The Google Sheets data integration is created successfully. Click the OK button. Wait until the status of the connection change to complete status. Click to create a new project. Click the Connect to a Data Source button. Choose the Google Sheets data connection we created. Select the Google Sheets. Review the data and click the Create button. Input a dataset name and click the Save button. QuickTable will open the dataset by default. Now you can work on the data using QuickTable.